if you would like to do like this, then you must know there is a foundation. In the foundation, we must know everything about our body. So if our body, we have a hip joint problem, then how you can open your leg wider? So there are three types of people: beginners, intermediate and advanced. So beginner people is mean they have very tight hips. So how we can improve the hip flexibility for them? That is a point. Second point, who are intermediate level, they can have very flexible hip, but they still struggling or trying to hip open like a leg split from the side or front leg split. So how we can help them to get this posture? Foundational yoga teach us, the traditional original yoga teach us how we can improve our body flexibility without suffering, without pain, without injury. That is my point. Advanced people might be they have very good flexible hip joint, but still they have lack of knowledge. They still don't know how to share this beautiful hip joint or hip flexible techniques to their friends. So if you are a yoga teacher and you don't know how to share the hip joint flexibility, that is a very important technique in this video for you. So here I'm talking about there is three levels: beginner, intermediate and advanced. All levels has different limitations to practice. You can practice in YouTube, in online, in many teachers, but everyone they have their own understanding to open the hip joint flexibility. My understanding, my knowledge from the traditional, from the original Indian style, which is from Gurukul, my university. Okay, so here I would like to share with you all of the techniques in my experience in 21-day course. So if you are interested, feel free to get the course. We have 7 techniques for intermediate, 7 techniques for advanced, and of course for beginners 7 techniques. So 21 days has many techniques, not only the 21 video, which is there are many techniques inside the course. We have created this course because I believe everyone can do this posture just like I did right now. Learn from the foundation, which is very important, because if you are just following me in my Facebook, Instagram and YouTube account, so it's very important. You can learn so many techniques, but in my way, what I have created this course, you can be professional later on. If you have done already 200-hour teacher training course, then you can use this course as your professional path. So we have many things to learn about. So let's begin your journey with MD, from beginner to the advanced level. Let's see you soon in our course. Bye bye everyone. Namaste.